at this car.
We're going to Canada.
You are?
We're going to Canada.
Are we all ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 1993.
Very good.
Everyone in the car.
Okay.
Gotta go. Come on. Let's go.
Hi guys.
Saturday morning, day 2.
Listening to Barney in the car. Hey Sophie. You're dancing too.
Heading into big old Buffalo, New York.
Hi So. How do you like this trip? Hey Bimmy.
Oh, I got
Hi Dave.
Hi.
Look at her. Get up there.
de la chute canadienne, aussi appelée le fer à cheval, Horseshoe Falls. Elle mesure 52 mètres de hauteur et son précipice s'étend à 760 mètres de longueur.
Hi guys. We're almost there. Goodness, look how bumpy it is. You guys are bouncing everywhere.
For underwater photography.
But you didn't like it?
Sophie.
I can tell that's
There's Emmy coughing. Mommy. Matthew.
Here it is.
What's your name, boy? How about you guys? Who are you?
Oh, Frankie.
Ma'am? And you are?
Oh, I'm Nathan's mom and Emily's mom.
Oh, be quiet, Mom.
She doesn't want to find you?
Oh, look at the camera.
And Daisy's mom. Daisy will claim me.
Peekaboo?
Yeah.
So, who is that? Who is that, so?
Give her to my dad. Give her to my dad.
Here.
Hi guys. What are you doing on that alligator?
No.
He's out here with me. Thank you, everyone. Matthew, you can grab on the other one if you want.
Emily, can you wave to
the other
Daddy?
little one, so I can grab it.
Hi there.
Only if you hold on to one side of hers and one side of hers.
Okay.
Pee-pee.
Okay.